morning, everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. I'm currently in my bathroom because I have to give this big old lug a bath. Yeah, we have the kids' Christmas party today, and then going out for my birthday, and then I've got work. So I'm gonna bathe him because he's covered in mud, and a service dog cannot go out into public dirty. So enjoy this bath sequence if I record it. What you got? What do you have?
You get 2 flavors or what?
Moochie, what'd you get?
2.
Moochie,
You got a combination.
what'd you get?
Mango and watermelon.
You good?
Jalapeno cheddar cheese.
What do you say? Not me, to her.
Mommy, how about a bracelet?
Oh, I'm good, thank you. What do you say? Hey, tell her thank you. Let's go get water. Come on. Go, go. You stab Mr. Tim with it?
No! No!
Get him.
What?
Get him.
Watch out behind you.
Get him. Not me.
I challenge you to fight. I'm the longest sword.
How about you challenge Mr. Tim?
No!
Why? He doesn't have a sword. But he doesn't have a sword.
No, but I have a knife.
That's
I
rude.
can get you to a challenge. I really did. I didn't say I wanted to do the challenge.
Mookie. Look at Missy Cheese. What are you, bub? I love it. You look like Balefire. Jump. Woo! Look at your hair.
Hunter. It's literally magneting to my hair. Hunter, you want to come play on the bounce house with me? I can't. Oh! Just rub it. Wait, let me put it on. Help. Help. Mom, can I go in that bounce house?
Do it again. Do it again so I get a picture.
Help me.
You're so silly.
Merry Christmas.
Jump your loss. Come on.
Merry Christmas.
Hi, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Love you. Jump in. Bye. So the Christmas party's over.
My fries are safe.
Went
Tim
to,
doesn't like Cajun.
went to Five Guys. That's Cajun fries? Isn't it regular fries?
I got Cajun fries.
Oh, okay.
So my fries are saved because Ted doesn't like Cajun.
Then I'm glad I don't have my fries yet. Bleh.
I'm like, my fries.
So I tried recording as much as I could at the Christmas party, but oh my god, guys, it was loud, obnoxious, and the kids were obnoxious. So we're gonna eat lunch and go to the movies. And there's an Ann. And then Tim and the boys are outside. So we're gonna go see the Grinch after this. And then I'm going to go home and sleep because I did sleep. And then we're gonna go to dinner at like 5.
I don't know. She texted you. She didn't text me.
I think it's at 5. Alright guys, so finally home from our morning errands. Got 45 minutes before I'm heading to dinner. But I wanted to show you guys what our elf did. Excuse me, our elf got into some trouble while I was at work. What's up there? With the toilet paper roll.
Empty toilet paper roll.
And he
Covered our tree in toilet paper.
yeah, he TP'd the boys'
Tree.
Christmas tree. What'd you boys think of Buddy TPing your Christmas tree?
Nope.
No? Why not? Why don't we do that with the toilet paper?
No.
That's not it.
Because it's a waste of toilet paper.
That's a waste of toilet paper.
Dave. Mom, look.
You have a kitty cat face.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's-
You forgot about
His
What-
name
what's
is
that?
Dave.
Hold on, I can't see. Hold on.
His name is
His
Dave.
name is Dave. Oh, he's
It's
cute.
a cloud dragon.
He's cute.
Look.
I can't stop moving. Stop moving. Where'd he go?
I named one of my flyers.
Look.
Fire.
He was
cute.
mini cloud.
He's cute. What are you playing?
Dragon City. And I'm gonna literally level this guy up so much.
I
Yeah.
named one of my flyers.
So, yeah. I got packages somewhere. I'm going to open these packages and hope that none of them are Christmas gifts for anybody. I got something from Amazon. I don't remember ordering anything from Amazon. And a giant box from my dad. You know, he said there is my birthday present is in here, and then something for the kids. So let's see what it is.
Yes.
Wow, that took forever to get here.
And this
Like
whole
these, like
temple
you
is dead.
put them on your sandwich, and it
Yeah, it's
imprints.
essentially just a trap.
Yeah, essentially a trap.
It imprints
ago did you order those?
like a month or two.
Can I show them something?
Okay, which one do you want?
That one.
Both.
No, you get one. Wait, scooch together so I can watch you open them together. Scooch together.
I can kind of see inside of it. Right.
It looks like an eye.
You're squishing it.
Hey, don't worry about the game right now.
Careful,
Just
it's
open it.
breakable.
What?
Careful, it's breakable.
I was about to just... No, I'm just not gonna say it. It's really hard to open. You know what? I quit.
That's right. It's an elf holding a
Oh.
donut made of mess.
Oh, I remember. Papa was gonna give us these.
What color's your donut?
Green. Mine's purple.
Mine's throw up.
Why is it throw up?
I don't know.
Why is mine purple?
Show me.
Huh?
Yours is purple poo.
No, it's not.
Mine's throw up
That
and
is
yours is
rude.
poo.
These are made of glass.
Let me see. What is it?
Are they actually made of glass?
I don't know. What is it?
It's an
I'll find
ornament.
out.
It's breakable
And it's an
What
ornament.
is it?
because it's metal.
Jay, you know you could just
Mookie,
open
show
the
me.
top.
That's why I think
What is it?
Oh.
it's an elf holding an elf that's in a donut.
Elf and a donut? Hunter, what's yours? Is yours an elf and a donut? Those are for
No.
your tree. Go put them on your tree.
That's not an elephant and donut.
Wee.
It's a
Wee. Wee.
Put it where you want, bud. I see that.
From a bird. But not.
don't.
Well,
I'm excited.
I'm going to
Got puffy paper clips.
I'm going to plug in the toilet paper tree.
But, buddy,
So
why did you
pretty.
do this?
Yeah, but why would you come to a sushi restaurant and have veggies?
Because traditional sushi isn't always just cooked. It's not always fish.
You wanna watch me fail?
Yeah. So you didn't fail.
Yeah, I did. I spun it around. Nearly threw it at you. So the spicy tuna is not super spicy. Trust me, I don't do well with spicy.
Okay, so this is Flaming Lip and James Bond.
Bond.
Something.
James Bond. I am Bond. James Bond.
This one's gonna lose some jalapenos because I don't do jalapenos.
I'll be mad at you. As long as there's no seeds in it, you're good. Take the seeds out. That's what all the heat is.
I don't like jalapenos.
Oh, I'm gonna drop it.
You're gonna drop it. Oh, I failed.
Don't worry, I almost dropped mine too.
It's just big.
I'm filming and not dropping them. How is that a thing? Come here, teeny tiny jalapenos. Bye, teeny tiny jalapenos.
Fail.
I don't like jalapenos, they're gross. And there's the dirt being the goodest boyo in his R2D2 sweater.
I think he's sleeping.
He's probably tired.
He's had a long night.
So we got Philadelphia rolls because I am a typical white girl.
Sea spider.
It's got crunchy bits in it.
And miso.
It all looks numerous. Sarah was doing a happy dance. See? Happy dance. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you.
No singing, I punch you in the face. So it's what, vanilla ice cream?
No, it was wax.
What is it, vanilla ice cream?
Yes.
And
Strawberry, tempura fried strawberries.
fried strawberries and a candle. Bye-bye candle.
Yay!
Yay, ice cream. Eat. Children back there somewhere. They're over there. Okay. See, I have children on their uncle.
This is what we do with Uncle Doug.
Yeah!
Almost make him fall over. Smile! Hey, curl your legs.
He said to relax. Relax.
Oh my god.
You're gonna be able to do it the whole time? We're gonna go really slow though.
Do not ruin your shoes.
Or my shoes.
It's a little too late now.
That's a risk of walking, sitting on people's feet.
Oh my god. And so clearly I'm at work. I wanted to wrap up this vlog. I did not film at all when we went to the Balboa Christmas Festival because it wasn't a Christmas lights festival. It was just a bunch of like Christmas vendors and a lot of people, and it was awful. Lots of people, not a few dogs, but not a lot. We could barely take 2 steps without bumping into somebody, and it was awful. I was panicking. I was dissociating. I felt like I was losing track of my kids. I wasn't, because I had all my friends there, like holding their hands and stuff and making sure they stayed put, but it was just awful. And yeah, and I have raccoon eyes because of my makeup now, and it's just awful. But I gotta go get these guys prepped and ready to go, and I will see you guys in the morning.